Hello guys, my name is Ursula and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to create a new Python project that is random password. So let's start creating this project, and just before starting creating this project, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So let's start the project. So let me write the topic we are going to create the project on: random password with Python. Python. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all, I will be printing. Uh, I will say that generate your password. Okay. Now for that, I will be, as I'm using random password, so I will import random from Python. So import random, and yes, we have imported this. Now next step would might be I will create another variable chars in which I will be just putting A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So these are all in lowercase from A to Z. And O P Q R S T U W X Y Z. Now I will be just putting it in uh, uppercase as well. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So now I have just put these values, and now again one thing I will be doing here is that I will be also putting some special characters like these values, and I will be also putting the numbers here as well: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now I have put all these special characters, and I have put numbers, I have put uppercase values, lowercase values, all in my characters area. So my approach here would be that I will be uh, taking out the random values according to the length of the password. So the length I will be asking from the user, and the number as well. So number of password they want to generate. So number is equals to input uh, amount of password you want to generate. Okay, so this will give me this will give the number of passwords. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and any number of passwords you can enter, it will print that number of those number of passwords. So now we will be printing, as this is not the one thing we will be getting, so we will be checking shuffling this. So I want a particular length for this. So length is equals to length of password is equals to input length of length length of the password. So these two are all string, but we want them in a quantity because these two all are these both of them are quantity. So instead of string, I will convert that into int, and I will do this for same here. Same goes for this too. Let's put int here as well. Int. Now we have created our three variables. Now I will create a very basic for loop here, and I will say the pwd, and this my pwd can be anything. It can be I A B C D, anything you want to put. It's make more sense to put pwd because we are dealing with passwords. So I have inserted pwd and use pwd because it makes more sense because we are dealing with password. So in range number, so we are going dealing with these in this range. For example, if the range is 8, so we will be having a range of 8. So let's see that how it's gonna work. And I will create another variable passwords, which will be my empty string, and I will create a nested loop here, which will be dealing which in which we will be dealing with the length of the password. So for uh, I in range length, okay, for I in length in range length, I will be now concatenating chars sorry password plus is equals to chars random dot choice random dot choice chars, and now I will be printing print passwords. So if you guys do not know what does this random dot choice works, so let's comment out this whole thing, this thing, and let's just see what this whole thing works. So if I random dot this works like, so if I print random dot choice and I put chars in the parenthesis and run this code, so you will get an idea how this work. So it has got a C here. Now if I run it again, it has got W here, so it will randomly give us some value like this from the string we have generated. So the string we have put here, it will generate some random value for us. So this was all in this random thing. So random chars works like this, and let me uncomment this and show you what we are getting. So let's save this, and one more thing I will be doing here is that I will be putting this and a line break here, and same goes for this also. So since our chars gives us just random dot choice gives us a random value, so we are in a range of length in the range of numbers. So we are having a nested loop here, and it's a very basic nested loop, and we are concatenating password and then printing passwords. Now let's run it and check for an answer. So if I uh, amount of password you want to generate, for example, I want to generate 3 passwords. Length of the password, if I want to input 8, so it has given me 3 passwords like this. And if I run the code again, and I want to generate 1 password or maybe 10, and length of the password is maybe again 10. So you can count the characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now just count the characters in password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are all 10 characters and 10 passwords we have got here. There is one more thing I want to do here, that if you see that we have to run the code again and again to check the password, but what if we want to put whole this thing in a loop so that it works continuously until the user wants to exit. So I will put while true, and then I would put some indentation here like this, here as well, and here as well, here as well, or you can also use uh, alt, like just for the multi cursor, if you press alt and like this, if you press alt from here and here and here, it will give you multiple cursor, but I've already used it, so that's it. So how we all want, if we will also wanna break this loop, so wants to break, because we want to exit this loop as well, because if we will not break this loop, it will continuously endlessly work. So we also want to put something for a break here as well. So do you want to quit? Okay, yes, no, and again a line break. And if wants to break is equals to yes, then break. So let's see how it is working now. I I use all that to wrap my code, and now let's run it and check for an answer. I want to generate two, and length of the password is 7. So these are two my passwords, and it is asking me, do I want to quit? I do not want to quit. I want to continue, and if I put 12 amount of password you want to generate, I want to generate 12 password, and length will be my 4. So it has generated 12 password of 4 length for me, and if I put yes here, and it will be breaked. So this was all in the question, guys. Hope you have understood this uh, project here, and if you have any doubt, ask in the comment section. For such content, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time, and I will be also uploading the source code in the description. Please do check it if you cannot follow this.